I started a business with just 1,000 Ghana cedis and made 1,000 Ghana cedis profit in the first month, and it got higher in the month that followed. These are three businesses that anyone can start in Ghana with very low capital, and these businesses have a very high profit margin. Mobile money business is no doubt one of the best businesses that you can start in Ghana with very low capital because it's a service-based business. All you need to do is to find a busy spot and you are good to go. You will get many customers to also make your profit at the end of every single day. So before I move on to ways you can make money with mobile money business, let me take you through step by step how you can start and set up your own mobile money business. So the first thing that you need is a business certificate. Now you can also avoid this step. Hear me out. So to start your own mobile money business, you need a mobile money agent SIM, whether it's MTN, Vodafone, or Airtel Tigo. And what you need to do is to get your business set so that you can use the business set to also go to MTN and request for an agent SIM. Now you can skip this step altogether when you buy an agent SIM which is already registered from someone, but there are problems associated with this because if your money is on the SIM and when the SIM locks, you can't go to MTN for them to open it for you because you are not the one or the owner of that SIM. That is the only problem that comes with buying SIM from other people. So I would advise you get your own business set from the Registrar General and also use it to also get an MTN merchant SIM. When you go to Vodafone and Tigo offices, you can get it very easily, but the MTN nowadays is very hard to also get. After getting your business certificate and also going for your SIM, what you need is a place to do it. So you can simply start by doing it in your own house. Yes, there are risks associated with this, but if you don't have any spot to also do it, you can do it in your own house. So you can just print a flyer and put it at your house where people can see that you also offer mobile money services there so that people can come in and also patronize you. Now you can simply also find a piece of land at a busy spot and also rent it monthly. And here what you need to do is to simply either buy a container and brand it in mobile money business branding. You know what I'm talking about if you are in Ghana, or you can simply buy a table and an umbrella that you can also use to also start before you get yourself a container. Now, how do you make money with mobile money business? It's quite straightforward and simple. You are paid in commission. So whenever you go to a mobile money merchant to also send money to someone, you pay a small commission on it as you would do when you are sending money from your phone. So you pay this commission, and if you are a mobile money agent, this commission can be one source of your income. The second source is the commission from MTN themselves. When you do deposits, when you do withdrawals, when you also do cash-ins or sendings, at the end of the month, MTN also send you part of the commission, and they have their own commission chart, and you can also go online and look through for it. Now, if I get it, I'll put a link in the description of this video so that you can also go and find the commission chart as well as any information which relate to this and how to get started with your own mobile money business. I will advise you to also get an MTN SIM first because it's the popular network that many people use, and this way you can start your own business and also get a Vodafone or Telecel agent SIM as well as Airtel Tigo agent SIM. I'm sure you watching this video might have bought second-hand clothes before. Now these are normally called in our language faux, or in the Gen Z terms thrift. So there is a whole business around this faux. There is a lot of faux that come into the country in a form of bill. Like bill is in some bulk that they ship it into the country, and many people go and buy this bill and also cut it open themselves and also select the quality ones, the better ones, and sell them on like different scale. So here is where you also come in. Because you are starting with a very low amount, all you need to do is to go to these people who sell in marketplaces such as Cantamanto and also buy from them at a very cheap price, and also become a local vendor for this, so you can go and buy from them and also come and sell it for profit. Now there are many ways you can sell this to even get more profit than the people who are already doing this. One way you can do this is through utilizing online or social media. You can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use your WhatsApp to also sell this to bring you more cash even than the people who are also doing this. So I saw one guy on TikTok who buy the bill himself and also sell to other vendors who are going to sell it local for a very cheap price. So you can also find them or on the internet, or you can just go to the market yourself and also buy these clothes, come back and also sell them, and I assure you it have a very good profit margin. If you want to get started, it's very simple. All you need to do is to also go to the market to do your own research, to ask them how they go about it, the time that the bill come in, so that you will read there as early as possible, because if you read there early, you can get very good deals to also come and sell them locally as well as selling to others online. Now let me blow your mind. I can see that you are watching me from your phone right now, and the phone that you are watching me from have a screen protector on the screen. Yes, if I got it right, make sure you give this video a like right now. Now the third business that you can start with very low capital is phone accessory business. Imagine spending huge sum of money to buy a phone and you didn't buy a screen protector, so when the phone fell from your hand, it's got a broken screen which can cost up to 1/3 of what you used to buy the phone. You can simply avoid this by just buying a screen protector which can protect your screen from that damage and that cost. That is why more phone owners tend to also buy these accessories to also help them protect their phone, as well as making the experience in using the phone very good. And you can also start a phone accessories business. It's very simple to start. You can also go to the big shops in Circle to also buy these phone accessories such as chargers, screen protectors, phone covers and more for a very low price and sell them for a higher price for some profits. Now you can also import these items from China to also sell them yourself in Ghana. Make sure you sort high quality product to also retain customers who also come and buy from you, for you to get them to buy more and more often from you. If you don't want to compete with the people in your area doing the same business as you, what you need to do is to use online as an advantage. Now you can create videos using this product that you also sell in them, demonstrating how to use them and how the quality is in your videos. This will also help you get more customers through online reach. You can also sort products during some specific occasions. So if you know it's Valentine and people are willing to buy phone covers and cute phone covers for their, you can also sort those products and also sell them in the occasion that you are also in. So these are the 3 businesses that you can start in Ghana with a very low capital which have a higher profit margin. If I missed any business that you know, you can put it in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'm Emmanuel, and I'll see you in the next video. You can also watch the video on the screen right now to also know how to start reselling products without any money using just one app on your phone.